Welcome back, my friends. This is another chemistry video. In fact, the last one. Let's go ahead and make use of this time. Local man Jeff Bush of Tampa, Florida, was just going about his day as any man of the Southeast are. The day was February 28th, 2013, and though he didn't know it at the time, he'd been living his last seconds alive. He's tired, so Jeff heads to bed. Before he knows it, the earth swallows poor Jeff right up, never to be seen again. So spontaneous, so supernatural, yet supernatural. Mother Nature shows no mercy to the innocent. How does something so seemingly precise occur so perfectly and obscure? Let's dive into how. Sinkholes are a scary thing. Sinkholes cause massive damage to resources, damage to the area, damage to people. Yeah, people get hurt. Yeah, people get hurt. And even death. This seemingly random occurrence is due to nothing else but chemistry. Let's first go into the basic explanation of this natural anomaly. Sinkholes occur when sections of carbonate rock are dissolved as rainwater or groundwater gets absorbed by the surface ground. When water comes in contact with CO2, carbonic acid is formed. This dissolves sections of the bedrock and varies in vulnerability depending on the strength of the sections. Come on. Let's take a closer look. So, we've covered the physics of what's going on to create a sinkhole, but what about at a molecular scale? The type of terrain in which sinkholes occur most commonly are known as karst topography. This is simply carbonate rock beneath soil that allows water to sometimes sink in and develop caverns and tunnels in the subsurface. Limestone surfaces are known to have sinkhole incidents occur most often. This is because limestone is a composite of calcium and carbonate. This substance is primarily made of sea life, in fact. Coral reefs and sea creatures mushed and mashed into the majority of Florida State's ground. This type of substance that makes up the ground beneath means that chemical reactions do occur once water makes contact with it. The reaction goes as so. Water plus carbon dioxide equals carbonic acid. The carbonic acid dissociates and gives a hydrogen ion, H+, and a bicarbonate ion, HCO2-. The acid that's produced from this reaction slowly eats away at the subsurface, leaving it weakly structured and partly dissolved. More and more water is able to then be passed through this area underground, which eventually leads to the inevitable collapse of the whole area above, causing sinkholes.